Dramatic lighting can change a regular photo into a fabulous picture. Photography is all about lighting. Without light, you can't make a normal picture. And the more interesting light is, the more interesting your pictures can be. Dramatic lighting is all about the contrast between the bright highlights and the shadows. Often when you're taking photographs in bright, hard light, there's gonna be deep, strong shadows. And contrast like this is most noticeable when there's one light source that's hard light, that's not diffused, it's just a bare light. Like the sun on a sunny, cloudless day, or a strong spotlight at a concert. An often light with a very narrow beam will create more contrast and more dramatic lighting. When you've got more than one light source, especially if it's soft light, there's not going to be such intense shadows. The contrast will be softer, it's less impactful in your photographs, less dramatic if you like. And it's really important to remember that we see dramatic lighting differently than our camera sees it. This is really important to realise when you want to make the best use of dramatic lighting. You can make more dramatic photos when you know how to manage your exposure to make the most of the dark shadows. When I'm taking photos with dramatic lighting, I like to use the spot meter setting on my camera so I can take a reading from the brightest area of my subject. And then I manage the exposure settings manually. This way I can make sure that the light looks as dramatic as I want it to. Sometimes it's useful to introduce light rather than relying just on the ambient light sources. Ambient light can be dramatic, but it doesn't always give you that level of contrast that you might desire. Adding some light can make a normal looking exposure look much more dramatic and interesting when you do it well. You must choose the right light and the right exposure for every photo you take. And some photos will benefit more from dramatic lighting than others. And remember that flat light can make really good photos for some subjects that won't really benefit from dramatic lighting. So this is part of your artistic choice as you come to take photos. You need to practice learning how to control the lighting to make it as dramatic as you want it for the best photos. If you want to read more about this, we've got an article that goes into much more depth on our website, so do check that out. The link is in the description below. If you've learned something new from this video, please give us a like. If you're new to our channel, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can stay up to date each time we release new videos. Thanks for watching.